Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's get ready to blend phonemes. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then together we'll blend the word. S, b. Sub, op. Mop, ig. Pig, tap. Tap, bug. Bug, lip. Lip, it. Fit, ox. Fox, n. Bun. Good. All right, we're going to roller coaster our words now. The word is fuzz. Z. Hut. T. Rock. Rock. Fuss. Us. Bat. At. Fin. In. Sock. Sock. Bud. Bud. Tug. Tug. Good. Now we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop it into 3 separate phonemes. Fan. Hid. Id. Tug. Tug. Cub. Cub. Cat. Cat. Dip. Dip. Sob. Sob. Pup. Up. Good. All right, now we're going to do phoneme substitution. So have your fists ready. I'll say a word, you repeat the word, and then we'll change the beginning sound to make a new word. The word is bud. Change b to m. Mud. The word is dot. Change d to g. Got. The word is pat. Change p to r. Rat. The word is wig. Change w to b. Big. The word is hug. Change h to t. Tug. All right. Now we're going to add phonemes. So we'll start with the ending part, the rhyme. We'll add the beginning sound or the onset to make a new word. The word is hid. Oh, sorry, I was looking at the wrong one. The word is us. Add b to the beginning. Bus. The word is ig. Add w to the beginning. Wig. The word is ub. Add t to the beginning. Tub. The word is ock. Add r to the beginning. Rock. The word is ag. Add s to the beginning. Sag. Good. Okay, last one. Deleting phonemes. So I'll say a word and then we're going to remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is hid. Without the word is id. The word is rub. Without r, the word is ub. The word is top. Without t, the word is op. The word is bus. Without b, the word is us. The word is pad. Without p, the word is add. Good job.